Shall we go in? Ah, okay.
She's coming through. We're staying at the Ocean. She's coming through with me. We've been staying there. My bags are all in there.
You can't come without.
No, I talked to them in the office and they said that was okay.
They haven't told me.
They wrote her name down and everything.
Okay.
Yeah. Because we're checking out and my bags are being packed. My son is inside. So we just went for a walk.
What office said that?
The booking, the one near the shop, around the corner from the shop. So.
So you leave.
When did you come here? Monday?
No, Friday. I've been here a week. You can have my name